Hello. I'm Mizushima, junior of Kyoto University. Today, I'm going to talk about vegetable and fruit harvester. This is Here is the page number. This is the overview of my presentation. First, I will introduce harvesting machine. First, I would like to talk about the explanation of harvester in introduction. And second, I want to explain about method of harvesting. And lastly, I would like to give some of my conclusion. Do you know and have been seen before a crop harvester? The machine's role is gather crop and reduce farmers' hard work in field. This is one of the famous machine in Japan. It harvests rice and separates seeds from the straw. There are many kinds of harvester in the world, so I'm going to introduce some of it. In my presentation, I will show three types of harvester: root, leaf, and fruit harvester. And now I would like to show you what crops could be harvested by machine and which crops are classified with each categories. First is root vegetable: potato, carrot, Japanese radish, burdock, onion, Chinese yam are in this group. And second is leaf vegetables, and there is cabbage, lettuce, spinach, Chinese cabbage, green onion, and are in this group. And lastly, fruits categories. It's citrus, olive, blueberry, grape are in this group. Now I'm going to explain each method of root, leaf, fruit harvest one by one with video. Fruit is root vegetable. This is carrot harvester using front end plow. It digs up underground crops and feeds them onto an elevator. While the elevator carries crops upwards, small debris fall down. Crops are carried onto conveyor belt, where they are separated from larger stone and admixture and graded. But this machine has current problems. Vegetables bigger than 50 centimeters can be harvested and need to be picked up by human. And next is leaf vegetable harvester. This is cabbage harvester. The biaxial screw auger holds the base of cabbage between the left and right grooves, pull them out of the ground and adjust the cutting height. At the same time, other leaves and base are cut and transferred to the end of the screw auger to be returned to the field. Pincer grip belt move with the screw auger to pull out cabbage and transport them to an elevator after discarded outer leaves and bases. But this machine has also current problems. It harvests non-selective, and that is, they harvest both mature and in mature products, so wastage of products definitely increase. And last is fruit harvester. This is stress harvester. This machine consists in mainly two parts, shaker and collector. First, it shakes tree and drops on a net. Next is collect crops by collecting pot. But it is sure that this has current problems. Fruits are damaged and we can use it only for processed fruits. In my conclusion, many challenges still need to be overcome, many current problems, but I think this is very interesting because we have a chance to make great innovation on harvester. I think the most ideal harvester has these three elements: uh, auto-selective scale, which enable to harvest only mature products; non-damage scale, which enable us to use fresh fruit products; and versatility skills. We want to use machine in any condition and anywhere else we want to. Lastly, in my dream, I want to make bipedal robots. It's because I think bipedal could make robots skillful and multiple task machine. I believe bipedal robots change nowadays hard work agriculture. Thank you for listening.
Are there any questions? Surely somebody has a question? No? Okay. Stephen.
Thank you for your presentation. I have a question on the vegetable and fruit harvesters. Some vegetables may not be mature, others young, and some may also contain some maybe parasite infection. Does the harvester is the harvester able to differentiate between these vegetables?
I think the technology will improve and the improved. It can we can make it, but today's technology we can't eat because if we can, but the cost of that is very high, so it is difficult.
Are there any other questions?
Thank you for the presentation. I would like to know more about the bipedal harvesting machine. Can I see the bipedal harvesting machine somewhere, like inside in Japan or in America?
Bipedal machine, it's my own idea, so no bipedal machine in the world.
Thank you. Are there any questions from Taiwan?
Hi, thank you for your presentation. I have a question. I just one. Which one do you think is the easiest? Thank you.
Sorry, I can't listen, so please say it again.
Okay. Which one is the best and why? They have three machines. Which one do you think is the
Which one do you think is working the best now?
Working best now. Okay. I think it's very difficult question. Best now. I think root vegetable harvesting is the best now because the work of root vegetable is very hard. We have to しゃがむってなんですしゃがむってなんて言うんですかしゃがむってなんですか we have to dig out and the dig process is very hard, so this is very useful, I think.